How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed, beautiful, benevolent souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara DeKes, and thank you for being here with me on the channel today. It's the second time I'm doing this video for you guys. For whatever reason, every single time I plug into my sound card, it just messes with my sound. So I've got to sort that stuff out properly so I don't have to redo videos for this moment. But nonetheless, thanks for being here. Thanks for all the energy. Thanks for all the effort. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, because you guys know how much energy and effort it takes to sit here and do these videos for you guys, especially if I'm doing them over and over. Not your mistake, my mistake. So all good, but just make sure to smash the thumbs up for me there on the channel. Guys, today I'm not going to waste any more time in this video. I'm going to try and make it even faster than what I did. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, because I'm going to bring to you insane news in this video here today, as you saw in the title of the video. Guys, let's not even waste 1 second longer. Today in the cryptocurrency market cap, we're sitting at 1.258 trillion, 31 billion in trading volume. Bitcoin is sitting above 30,262, which is great. Ethereum is at 1929, and XRP has now overtaken BNB for place number 4 at 74, let's call it 75 cents. BNB at 242 cents. The XRP market cap is 39.5, and BNB is now 37.8. Okay, so you can see why. Solana's at 27.74, Cardano's at 31.70, Dogecoin at 7.1 cents, Polygon at 77 cents, Litecoin at 92.93, Polkadot at 5.38, Avalanche at 15.53, Bitcoin Cash at 2.51. So you guys can see it. They have been pumping more to the upside. Fear and Greed Index for the day is 54 compared to last week and yesterday's pretty much greed. So that's very interesting. We're back in neutral territory. And that is obviously because of the Bitcoin fall. So make sure to stay tuned right to the very end of the video, because this video is going to be jam-packed with powerful information. And I have many articles I'm going to share with you guys, as you guys can see here, that are about to show us exactly what is going on in the market. Okay, the crypto bubbles today. I don't know why 1 inch is pumping, but since I did the last video, it's already pumped another 15%, 13%. So very interesting. Casper, Algo, Arbitrum, Lunacy are all pumping today. XDC is pumping today, and the rest of them are pretty much in the red. So those are great coins that you can see there that are busy having a strong move to the upside. Ron DeSantis vows to ban CBDCs in the US if elected president. So that's a pretty simple article right there. He's basically saying that CBDCs do not give anybody privacy, and because Ron DeSantis is an incredibly powerful crypto enthusiast and beneficiary, he wants to win the election so that he can create an environment for crypto and Bitcoin really to thrive in the US economy if he is voted into power. Now, that doesn't mean that that's all he's going to do and all he's going to focus his energy on, but it's a very, very powerful statement for you and I in the crypto space. So that is really awesome. The Ripple case, the SEC approval, unlikely as agency gains from current confusion, Horn Adventures CEO says. So basically, Katie Horn of Horn Adventures has said here, let's go and read the two statements that she makes. Some non-legal advice musings on the Ripple coin decision, including 2 main takeaways. The first one, okay, the court drew a reasonable line, and overall it's a good outcome for the industry. For other suits with the SEC, we believe the Supreme Court's major questions doctrine will play a large role, further strengthening the industry's arguments. Now, number 2, she's long said that if Congress doesn't act, then the courts, not the SEC, will have the final word. I've been speaking about this for some time now, that Gary is a pawn. The SEC is a pawn on the chessboard. And of course, essentially, the rulings will not be made by them, but rather by the high courts. Okay. Now, and Congress at the end of the day. So the system takes time, but I believe more decisions like yesterday are coming and will provide more guidance. That said, the complexity of the court's reasoning here is more proof that it would be most appropriate for Congress to set up policy for the future of this technology in the future, in the US, excuse me, which is phenomenal news, guys. Now, crypto will transcend international currencies, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink states. Okay, now I showed you guys a video the other day. If you guys didn't watch that, then make sure to come back to this video. Go and watch that. That is very, very powerful video over there. I showed it to you guys a bit ahead of all of the news that has been happening. So you guys can see that I am keeping you up to date as fast as possible on my channel. Always doing my best to make a video for you every single day in every single way. So make sure to smash the thumbs up. And guys, if you want to trade these beautiful cryptos with me, make sure that you hit my Bybit and my Bitflex link down in the description below. My Bitflex link is going to give you an incredible trading opportunity. With a $100 bonus, you will get $50. Sorry, $100 deposit, you'll get a $50 deposit bonus, which is amazing. Okay, so Larry Fink, we believe we have a responsibility to democratize investing. We've done a great job, and the role of ETFs in the world is transforming investing, and we're only at the beginning of that, stated Larry Fink. Okay, very simple part of that entire sector. Okay, so that is very interesting to see that. Now, one of the cool things about this is now the SEC accepts BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF application, signaling regulatory review. So the SEC's acknowledgement indicates the commencement of the official review process for BlackRock ETF proposal. Now, on Friday, June 14, the regulator announced that it also is in the process of reviewing applications and various funds, including Wise, Origin, Bitcoin Trust, Wisdom Tree, Van Eck, and Invesco Galaxy, which is important. Okay, so BlackRock's entry into the spot Bitcoin race is significant due to its stature in the financial industry. Its filing for a spot Bitcoin ETF included an agreement for surveillance sharing with the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase. And guys, that's why I did this video for you. Go and watch that video. Super, super important there. Now, there was something that I actually wanted to go and show you that I let go of. So let me go and fetch it for you guys again in this video, because that's the only one thing that I left out of the last video that I haven't shown you guys in this video. And then I have something I'm going to share with you guys, but that will be on another video. So make sure, and it'll be a short, very, very short video. So make sure to subscribe for that. But basically, you can see here. Oh, where did it go? Okay, let's go see. Does Bitcoin have a stable coin? Yes, it does. Yeah, this is the article that I found. Okay, so the article's from Decrypt. And basically, so there's now a dollar-backed stablecoin on Bitcoin using Ordinals protocol. So Stably is the name, which was debuted in 2019. I knew nothing about this coin. This article is from the 26th of May, so it's a little bit old. But the point that I'm trying to share with you guys is that there is a so this coin is USDS, USDS, I do believe so. Yes, yeah. USDS, Stably USD. Isn't it technically a new stablecoin? It's been around since 2019 and only recently got converted into a BRC20 token on Bitcoin. The latest attestation report shows it's got a market capitalization of 7 million across 11 different blockchains, including Ethereum, BNB, and Arbitrum. The USDS listing on CoinGecko, so you can go and check that out on CoinGecko. It pumped and then it dumped like crazy, but it is now a Bitcoin-backed stablecoin. Now, if you guys remember what happened to Luna when they tried to back their stablecoin against Bitcoin, it absolutely got obliterated because the price of Bitcoin actually crashed far too much for the stablecoin to be stable. So it depegged, and that's when all of this drama started happening. Now, this is a great sign because essentially the rest of USDT, USDC are all ERC20 backed tokens, which then have also now been applied to multiple other chains, which is incredible, guys. So that is going to be a very interesting chart. Like the channel, subscribe to the video, guys. That would be really appreciated. Let's go and look at the dollar chart. The dollar chart right here today. We are going to look at this on the daily time frame. And basically on the daily time frame, I did mention to you guys previously that we would essentially be building this M pattern. We broke the neckline here. The target is down here at 95.71. And essentially what I would say is that RSI is proving that there might be a little bit of some sort of pullback, maybe even up to here, then a retracement back down, and then kind of make its way down over the next couple of weeks, months to that level. Now, the Bitcoin dominance chart today, as you guys can see, the Bitcoin dominance has literally fallen right to my zone here. Okay, we are now oversold in the RSI. This is an accumulation point. So could Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin start to rally a little bit more for the short term? Yes, I do believe that that is a very high possibility, especially that we found some support. But a good level of support would be down here at the breakout zone. So pull back down here. So maybe what we do is we make some sort of rally to retest and then break back down to this level, which at this point, this is where you would want to sell your Bitcoin into altcoins, make some cash in your altcoins, sell your altcoins back into Bitcoin, and then wait for probably a nice rally up when it eventually breaks through this down sloping trend. I can see that happening. It happens in trades often. That's how the market ends up looking like most often. Let us go and have a look at the actual Bitcoin chart for now. So this is the Bitcoin chart on the weekly time frame. I have drawn that this is a possible, not only is it a cup and handles pattern, boom, okay, but it is a potential head and shoulders pattern. So cut, man, just give me a moment. Okay, sorry, let's go down to the weekly. Let's go down to the weekly, the weekly. Okay, so we all know about the cup and handle pattern, but is this somewhat a sort of inverted head and shoulders pattern with the neckline being this level and the target for the neckline being this level up here? Now, I want to go and show you guys something very, very important. I'm going to show you a few of my indicators here that will show us what is going on. Starting off with the EMA ribbon. The EMA ribbon on the weekly has now started to flip bullish, okay? You guys can see that there. We're creating higher highs, essentially. So this is telling me that the bullish momentum for Bitcoin will continue. Okay, let's go and look at the next indicator. The next indicator is my Hull Suite indicator. My Hull Suite indicator, as you guys can see, that whenever we are above, we break below and then back above, that is a bullish signal on the Hull Suite indicator, which is telling us that that is looking very strong once again. Now, I also have the Gaussian channel for us. The Gaussian channel on the weekly time frame has not turned green yet, but we are above the red zone and the top of the band here, which every single time, and I showed you guys on multiple videos, that every single time we have been above that level, it is time for us to go long like crazy on Bitcoin. Okay. Now, one last indicator that I want to share with you is volume. No. Don't worry about any of that for now. Okay, let's leave it at that for you guys for now. As you guys can see, as I said here, there's my target. Okay, so you guys can see that that target line aligns perfectly here, 46K level. So that would be my personal next biggest part of the target. That would be where we would start as an exhaustion, start to pull back and then pull down here. Guys, my important thing is I've drawn this resistance line for you. So there is a strong resistance line, and that's why we're making higher highs. But for me, we should hit here, pull back, then break up to this level like a crazy bull, then maybe pull back down to there, then bounce. Maybe if we break through, back down to this level, then back up. Guys, this is going to be an insane moment for Bitcoin. I don't know what you think, but let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what my community thinks Bitcoin is going to do over the next short little while. But essentially for now, as you can see, that's what I have predicted on the Bitcoin price and the Bitcoin chart. Thanks for watching the channel. Appreciate every single one of you. Blessed and beautiful souls. And we'll see you on the next one. Benevolent souls.